Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Men and women suffer from hair loss equally, but they differ in the degree to which they experience it. Those who desperately long for full hair are quickly seduced by advertising to buy expensive products, hair lotions, and shampoos. There is nothing more obvious than to fall back on the good old household remedies that our great-grandmothers already knew how to use. For a long time, garlic for hair growth was considered an insider tip for strong, healthy hair. We all dream of those long and thick hair tresses. Do you know using garlic oil on your hair strengthens your hair roots and makes your hair grow quickly? Here you can find out how you can easily make garlic oil at home. You need only 8 cloves garlic, 1 onion, and 1/2 cup oil. Okay, let's start. First of all, take a pan and add oil. You can use any oil, olive, coconut or castor oil, whatever you want. Add garlic and onion paste to it. Bring to boil, let it turn brown. Turn off flame and sieve. Apply oil on your hair well after it cools down. Keep it overnight or shampoo after an hour. Thanks for watching. If you find something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe.